Let's learn action words together. We move our body every day. We jump, we run, we walk, and we play. Come on, let's watch and learn action verbs. Jump.
I am jumping.
I am jumping. Run.
I am running.
I am running. Walk.
I am walking.
I am walking. Sit.
I am sitting. I am sitting.
Stand.
I am standing.
I am standing. Clap.
I am clapping.
I am clapping. Dance.
I am dancing.
I am dancing. Sing.
I am singing.
I am singing. Eat.
I am eating.
I am eating. Drink. I am drinking. I am drinking. Play.
I am playing.
I am playing. Laugh.
I am laughing.
I am laughing. Cry.
I am crying.
I am crying. Sleep.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping. Wake up.
I am waking up.
I am waking up. Read.
I am reading.
I am reading. Write.
I am writing.
I am writing. Draw. I am drawing. I am drawing. Color.
I am coloring.
I am coloring. Wash.
I am washing.
I am washing. Open.
I am opening.
I am opening. Close.
I am closing.
I am closing. Throw.
I am throwing.
I am throwing. Catch.
I am catching.
I am catching. Kick.
I am kicking.
I am kicking. Push.
I am pushing.
I am pushing. Pull.
I am pulling.
I am pulling. Hop.
I am hopping.
I am hopping. Skip.
I am skipping.
I am skipping. Turn.
I am turning.
I am turning. Simile.
I am similing.
I am similing. Lift up.
I am lifting up.
I am lifting up. Crawling.
I am crawling.
I am crawling. Pick up.
I am picking up.
I am picking up. Great job, kids! You did very well today. We learned many action words. We can jump, run, and walk. We can sit, stand, and play.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.